Think about the last safety incident at your workplace. Was it really out of the blue, or were there warning signs no one had time to notice? Maybe procedures weren't followed exactly. Maybe near misses were ignored. Maybe the data was already there in reports, checklists, or inspections, but no one connected the dots. That's where continuous improvement for safety comes in. It's not about reacting after someone gets hurt. It's about building a system that gets better at preventing incidents day after day. Welcome to Continuously Improve for Safety Excellence from OSHA Education School. This online course is designed for safety leaders, supervisors, and anyone who wants to move beyond basic compliance. Instead of treating safety as a once-a-year task, you'll learn how to reel data to see what's working, make targeted improvements, instead of guessing, and build a culture where everyone shares responsibility for safety. At the heart of this course is a simple idea. There is always room to improve. You'll learn how continuous improvement methods often used in quality and operations can be applied directly to safety. Rather than accepting incidents as normal, you'll identify gaps in procedures, inconsistent behaviors, and early warning signs before they turn into injuries. You'll also learn how to use safety data the smart way, balancing lagging indicators, like incident rates, with leading indicators that help prevent problems in the first place. The focus is on turning numbers into practical actions your teams can follow. Just as important, the course addresses culture, early reporting, reinforcing positive behaviors, and improving accountability without blame. Delivered 100% online, this course fits your schedule. After completing the final assessment, you'll earn a certificate of completion. If you want a safety program that gets stronger every month, not just one that meets minimum requirements, enroll in Continuously Improve for Safety Excellence from OSHA Education School.